another video, and for today I am trying these magic rollers that have been all over YouTube the last few weeks, and y'all know I had to jump on the bandwagon. I had to find a different hairstyle that maybe could work. This is what they look like. The ones I got came in blue. Everybody else's are pink, and I'm like really upset because y'all know I love pink. But I got them in blue, and I got them from Amazon. I got a pack of 40. I actually got 2 packs of 40 just in case. This is what they look like. So they came, the pack of 40 came with 20 of these big ones and then 20 of these little ones. And they came like this actually. It looked like it was gonna be a hassle trying to undo them while I was doing this style. So I just undid all of them just now to make it a little easier on my life. So as y'all can tell, I already washed my hair. I actually co-washed it because I just washed it like 3 days ago and I didn't want to wash it again with shampoo. So I just co-washed it with my As I Am coconut co-wash that y'all have seen in another video. I'll post the link up above. Then I got them in like, how many twists I got right now? I think I got like 16 twists in my hair right now. And then I left it under my microfiber towel for a little while just so it can like soak up most of the water. I need my hair to be dry. Y'all saw what happened with the wave formers, link up above, and a big reason why I was not feeling them was because my hair didn't dry fast enough. So I need this to be dry so it can be successful. My hair is going to get a tiny bit wet because I am going to go in first with my Mielle leave-in conditioner. I've seen me use this in plenty of videos in the past, and I want there to be a little bit of hold to this style. So I am using my Wetline Extreme Gel. Y'all know I use this for like every style. I love this stuff. And my plan really, I like put them in twists. I put my hair into these twists so that I'm just gonna like unravel them, and then each little, like each half of the twist I'm going to use on the magic roller. I'm gonna use the big rollers for my back and then the little rollers for the front. So let's see how this goes. Let's do one. Let me just spray some of my leave-in. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but I did detangle my hair already. I detangled it in the shower just because I'm realizing it's a lot easier for me to detangle my hair in the shower. But I do have my detangling brush that I love, just in case I need it. All right, let's give this a shot. So I just split one twist. I'm going to just put this one up like so. I feel like this wouldn't be too much hair. What do y'all think? Let me move up. I really, oh God, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. See, but like, I feel like, but I don't want them to be like super tiny either. No, I always hold this up to show y'all that I'm actually using this, because I guess some YouTubers, I'm over hearing that some YouTubers like make it seem like they use a product when they actually don't. Like, they use a different product in the video. All right, so got the gel on there. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna take this. Oh wait, let's do it this way. I'm so not graceful with stuff like this. All right, and then I guess just wrap it around like so, and then pop. Okay, that was easy. Alrighty, well, I will just keep on doing that for the rest of my hair, and I'll come back when I am all done. Okay. I'm all finished. That didn't take me long at all, actually. So I am worried though. I used exactly 40, and I don't know, I'm a little worried that maybe the pieces I used weren't small enough. I did end up breaking some pieces like in half, so that it was a little smaller. And I don't know, I feel like maybe if I use like 50, I'd feel a little better. I also feel like I definitely understand what other YouTubers were talking about as far as like they don't feel like their hair is gonna dry, and I really don't feel like my hair is gonna dry anytime soon. However, it is 1 a.m. and I am exhausted. I have to wake up early tomorrow, so I think I'm just gonna sleep on this tonight. I have to go somewhere, but when I come home, I'm gonna sit under the dryer for like an hour, probably even 2 hours, and then I'm gonna sleep again, and then I'm gonna take it out on Sunday, which is Mother's Day, and hopefully by then it is dry. So far so good. You know, it didn't take me long at all to put these in. If y'all are wondering about this gap, if y'all are new to my channel, I do have some trouble area with this little section here isn't as long as the other pieces, but if you're not new to my channel, then you already know, but that's why this piece doesn't have much anything there. So yeah, hopefully this works, because the results that came out really nice on some YouTubers, like, you know, I'm really hoping. It's really just about if it's gonna dry, so pray for me, y'all. Alright guys, it's the moment of truth. I have had these in since Friday night. It is now Sunday morning. I have slept in them for 2 nights. Had them in all day yesterday. I even sat under the dryer for a little under 2 hours. So if these aren't dry, this is the last time I'm using these. Like, I'm gonna have to, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I won't even give these away to anybody, because why would I? And then look at this. Like, how did that happen? How did the rest of them are like intact, but this one is not? But I did have to like rewrap them a few times, which is annoying. Like, nobody wants to have to do that. So let's just get started, since this one's already like pretty much all the way unraveled, so it don't even look like anything. Yo, if this isn't dry, okay, it's dry, but it's looking a little cray. Alright, this is still a little wet. That's crazy. I'm separating as I go, because it's just, I gotta go. I don't have time really. Most of them are dry. I just don't really like the way it looks, to be honest. This one's a little wet right here. I know that's about to frizz up on me. Like, this one is still wet. And mind you, the pieces are consistent. Like, I only use small, like, you know, I split them in half or so once I got to the top. So it's annoying that some pieces are like super dry, and then this piece, for example, is not. Like, how? 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 Like, the little curls are starting to look cute or whatever, but the fact that some are dry and some are not, and mind you, like, I was not using crazy different sizes. Like, I made sure that the sizes were pretty consistent. So how on earth? It's a shame too, because I'm kind of liking the way the curls are forming. This means I gotta, what, stay under the dryer another hour and keep it in like a whole extra day? Like, I don't got time for that. So the ones that had the bigger rollers are pretty dry. The ones that had the smaller rollers seem to not be dry at all, which is annoying because that's the one I put in the front. So I'm a little tight. I mean, don't get me wrong, the back ones are inconsistent, but for the most part I'm having more dry pieces in the back than I am in the front. Like, this is still very wet. This is still very wet. This is the exact reason why I do wash and goes, and that's it. Wash and goes are not disappointing.
Okay, so I'm all done, and I mean, I do like the curls, don't get me wrong. It's not as frizzy as I thought it would be. However, the fact that I sat with these rollers in my head all day yesterday, sat under the dryer for 2 hours, almost 2 hours, and it's still not completely dry is like a real blow to me. So I just don't see myself doing this again. Like, I don't. Like, there's just no way. I'm not a perm rod type of person, but I might have to become one if I want curls like this again, because I'm not doing this again, and I'm not giving these away to anybody. Honestly, I was gonna do like a little giveaway with the second pack, but like, why would I if I, like, no. So let me fix this little thing up, do something with my face even though I don't have time, and then I'll show y'all the finished product, okay? Alright guys, here are the finished results. I didn't even get a chance to put my makeup on. I just did my eyebrows real quick because I gotta go. But like, it's cute, you know, don't get me wrong, it's cute, but I'm not spending this whole time to get it somewhat dry, because it's not even all the way dry. So while the curls are cute, the actual style for me is a fail. If you have more time, you know, then whatever, but I don't have this kind of time to get it dry. So yep, this is what we're working with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the notification so you can be notified every time I make a new video. And I will see you guys for my next one. Bye.